Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a ZAFUL bikini haul because I finally found the bikinis that I like. I had to go through at least like 40 YouTube videos to actually find ones that had good reviews. And I know the struggle of buying off of ZAFUL. Some things are amazing, some things aren't. So I thought I would just come here and show you guys what I like and give you my honest opinions on them. So I'm just gonna show you each bikini, talk about them for a little bit, and then I'm gonna try them on. So let's get started. So the very first one I'm going to show you is this one. This one is one that you've probably seen around before. It's really popular. I've seen it in like almost every girl's YouTube video. So I got this one in a small, and they come in these little packages, which is kind of nice. I mean, I'm probably gonna throw them away, but I mean, it's kind of nice that they're packaged up like that. So the top looks like this. Where is the strap? Okay, so it looks like this. It's coming up much more yellow on camera. It's more of an orangey yellow in person. It's got that smocked, like I don't even know the type of material. Not really focusing. There you go. It's got this kind of material. Honestly, I love yellow. These ones are a little bit more covered, I guess you could say, so you don't have a lot of butt hanging out of these. The other ones I got are a different story, but they also have this texture. It's really cute and I do really like them. I got this one in a size small. I would say for the top, it fits perfectly. It is a little bit bigger, but you can't really tell. And then the bottoms fit nicely as well. So the next one I got is this one. It is the scooped padded bikini set, I believe it's called. A lot of girls got this in a light blue, but I decided, oh my god, I'm gonna get a light pink because I like pink. And it ended up coming in, and I looked at it and I was like, that is a lot lighter than I thought. So it's literally just like this peachy pale pink. It's like, I don't know. It's cute. Don't get me wrong. It looks really great on, but the problem is it just makes me look like I'm kind of naked. Like it doesn't match my skin tone, but it's pretty close. So I feel like I would wear this after I'm tan because I don't know, it definitely isn't the color it looked like online. But for fitting wise, the top fits really well. I really like it. The texture and material of it feels pretty good. I noticed that the round things, like the pads and the boobs, always kind of get scrunched up, so you kind of need to fix those. But the straps and everything are really nice. I like the way the top fits, and then the bottoms are really nice as well. So this one is more of like a thong bottom. It covers a little bit less bum than the last one, but I do like it. I just think that the color is a little bit off from the picture, so be careful with that. So the next one is red, and I love red, so I was like, I need to get a red bikini. This is what the top looks like. It's just a ribbed, like it's the same texture as the yellow one was. It is just a bandeau. I do think that it's a little too big for my boobs because I do have really small ones. It still fits though. It's not like it's gonna come off or anything. I just think it could be a little bit more tighter. But it's really cute. I like it. Yeah, I have no issues with the top. And then the bottoms are also ones that are a little bit more covered like the yellow, but they still kind of go up. They're like a high-rise type thing. I don't want to say I don't like it because I do. I just think that like it's a little too high for me. I'm still gonna wear it. I still love it, but if it just came a little lower on the hips, I'd probably like it a lot more. But this color and the fabric, like it feels so nice. Like I could literally just touch this all day long. But I really love this one. It actually turned out much better than I thought because some people said that this one also didn't fit them, the bottom, so I was like, I don't know. By the way, I got every bikini in a size small because I figured I don't know how to explain it. Like my top, like my boobs are kind of small for my body, but then my butt is much, I don't want to say it's like huge, but it's bigger. Like, I definitely have more of a butt than I do boobs, so it's hard for me to find bottoms and a top that both fit me. Usually it's like the bottoms are too small, the top's too big, but for all of these bikinis, they all fit me perfectly, which is crazy because I know a lot of girls have to order like a small and a medium set just so they can fit into both. But I got 5 bikinis for $100, and they all fit me. So the top, I'm gonna put it together so like I can show it better. This one is probably like the worst quality out of all of them, but I love it. Like, it's so good. It's like a square top like this. It's just black and it has straps, and it's just kind of looks like a sports bra to me. It's really thin quality, not the greatest, but the bottoms are amazing. I honestly like a lot of cheek. I think I like a little coverage, but I don't want my butt to be completely hidden. So I got these, and they have the ruching right here, which kind of makes your body look like this. I like it. But I got these, and I love the black set. I've always wanted a really nice black bikini. It's kind of hard to find ones that aren't the triangle shaped tops because those are like the most common. So I do like this. The straps feel a little like flimsy, and the clips that hold them are kind of crappy, but I'm not mad. I really like it. I think maybe there's better ones on the site, but I do like it and it fits really well. All right, this is the very last bathing suit, and I'm in love. Like, this is the nicest color ever if you are tan. So I got this. It's a royal blue bikini, and it looks like this. It is so nice. The only thing I don't like about it is that there's no padding, and the only reason why I don't like that is because this is so embarrassing, but when you go swimming as a girl, your nipples get hard. I'm scared that it's just gonna be like kind of not see-through, but you can see it since there's no padding. But it's a beautiful color, and I really do like it. I think maybe if there were padding in it, it would be better. Like, not like thick padding, push-up bra padding, but just like a thin little thing, just so then, I don't know, things don't show, whatever. Girls, you know what I'm talking about. So the bottoms on these ones are a little, I don't know. I saw some girls say that these bottoms were they kind of looked like a paper bag on their butt, but they look like this. They're like a V. They have the thin straps on the side, which I do like. And then the back just kind of has like this. It kind of fits my butt a little weird, but it does fit. Like, it's not too small or too big, but I do like this color, and I am very happy with this bathing suit because it's gonna look really great with a tan. All right, so that is the end of my ZAFUL bikini haul. I know I didn't get a lot, but I thought I'd just show you because I know the struggle of shopping on that website. So I'm just gonna like leave everything in the description. Everything was $100. I think each bikini was like 20 bucks or under. I'm not exactly sure. Also, a lot of people were asking me. I live in Canada, Ontario to be exact. My nose is really itchy. I was told that ZAFUL can take up to like 2 months to get to your house, and I was like, oh, like summer's gonna be over by the time I get my bikinis, whatever. Literally came in a week. I ordered it on a Monday and I got it the next Monday. Crazy, I know, because my friends who live in the same city as me, it took like 3 weeks for them, but I don't know what it was. I got them in a week, so I would say if you do live near me, shipping shouldn't be a problem. I think shipping was free for me since I spent over a certain amount of money, but so far so good. I know ZAFUL can be a sketchy site sometimes, not sketchy, but you don't know what you're gonna get kind of thing. But with these bikinis, I'm really happy with. They all fit well. Coloring on the pink one was a little off, but everything else was great. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment suggestions for future videos down below, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!